Hi there, this is Stu from Hyundai Muskoka and Drive Muskoka. We're here today having a quick peek of this 2015 Hyundai Elantra. Just going to do a quick walk around the exterior of the vehicle today, show you a little bit more about the quality and condition that it's in, so when you come in to take it for a test drive, you know just a little bit more about it. It does have a brand new engine that we've had installed by our Hyundai certified technicians. And as I said, we're just going to do a quick walk around the exterior so you can see a little bit more about it. Just going to look down the passenger side body line here. Just looking at the reflection of the paint, helps see any door dings or scratches. Looks to be in pretty good shape overall. Nothing stands out. Very clean. Having a quick look at the back bumper here. A couple small scuffs on the back bumper, but nothing major. We can put a little bit of elbow grease into that, and this should come right out. Back bumper looks to be in good shape. Same with the driver's side body lines here. Back and forth in reflection. No door dings really stand out. Looks to be in good shape. A little bit of a touch-up happened down here. Other than that, that looks to be it on the driver's side of the vehicle. We'll have a quick look at the hood and the front bumper. Front bumper's in good shape. Yeah, a couple little scuffs right here. And the hood looks to be in good condition as well. Not too many stone chips, there's a few. One right here. But other than that, looks to be in great shape. So if you have any other questions about this 2015 Hyundai Elantra, please reach out to us at Hyundai Muskoka and Drive Muskoka. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye now.